Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we need to talk about an important aspect of Xbox right now. This goes for current gen systems like the Xbox One and all those editions, as well as the Series X and Series S. I have made videos on how to use Bluetooth devices on Xbox One, and most of the time they're all workarounds. For example, using an adapter of some sort or connecting it to a PC, and I get a ton of hate on those videos, which I completely understand. Like, the methods I proposed in those were workarounds. They're not direct solutions, and people want direct solutions. However, in this circumstance, those don't exist, and I'm trying to let the internet know, because you see all these tutorials on the internet about like how to use Bluetooth headset on Xbox One. Well, it doesn't exist. There is no method. Because Xbox, for some reason, and I don't know why, and I'm going to show you on screen here, they just don't. In next gen consoles, they just didn't include it either, which I was completely shocked at. I was like, oh, PlayStation has the PS4 had Bluetooth, right? Why doesn't the Xbox One have it? So I was like, okay, I'll give them a pass because it was last gen. But it's like, okay, now we're on next gen systems and you still don't have Bluetooth. Like, come on, think about how many devices you can connect. Think about how many devices you have right now that have Bluetooth. Like, Bluetooth is like, it's outdated technology almost. Like Bluetooth's been around for so long, and the fact that it's still not even here yet. But we're just gonna hop right into it, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna switch over to screen record, and I'm just gonna show you my display real quick. And this shocked me at first because I was like, whoa, like you could literally just go here and search like, does the Xbox Series X have Bluetooth? And look, best answer, no, the Xbox Series S does not support Bluetooth, but like the controllers do. They gave Bluetooth to the controllers, but not the system itself. It's like, Microsoft, what were you thinking? Like, this is an easy opportunity for everyone who already has a Bluetooth headset to just connect it to their system. Like, everyone should be doing this. This technology should be available on a console you're paying $500 worth, and then the Series S is like $300. But like, so you're paying that much money, you'd think you could get like Bluetooth hooked up in the console. Like, everything has Bluetooth these days. Like, literally anything, any computer you buy, it has Bluetooth. Most speakers these days have Bluetooth. There's like rarely devices these days that are simply a wired connection. Look at Apple right now releasing the AirPods Max that don't even have a wire. The only way to use them is Bluetooth. Like, this is like the current technology when it comes to connecting devices, and it's universal. It works with everything, and I don't know why they just didn't include it. So like, come over to like Amazon or whatever. Literally, I'm sorry, like, I don't recommend having to spend money in order to fix stuff, but in this situation, if you want to use a headset or another device on your Series X, S, Xbox One, what have you, just go out and buy a cheap headset, honestly, a wired one, because the controllers these days for Xbox, you can get an adapter to plug in a 3.5mm headphone jack, or most of the Xbox controllers now just come with a 3.5 female in the controller, so you can plug in literally almost any headset. I'm telling you, just come on Amazon and just buy one of these. Like, look at this. Like, they all have good reviews, and that's a given. Like, a headset, you cannot screw up a headset that much. Obviously, these are not the most quality. Like, I'd stick to like Turtle Beach and stuff like that. Like, avoid like no-name Chinese brands and stuff. Razer, reliable company. HyperX, reliable company. Literally just come on here, just buy a headset. I'm sorry. Like, I know this is not what people want to hear, but sadly, there is no Bluetooth, and if you don't want a dumb workaround, just go out and buy a headset. They're so cheap. Like, they're like $30 for a quality headset. Sometimes you get it for even less. Coupons like that, for example. And I don't know. I mean, it's annoying. I wish Xbox would fix this. However, you have to live with it. You just have to suffer, and you have to live with this issue that Xbox does not have Bluetooth connectivity, so you can't connect headsets to it. You can't use it wireless. However, there are still headsets out there that you can buy that transmit an audio signal wirelessly through a USB receiver, which you plug into your Xbox. I know that I think SteelSeries makes one, potentially Turtle Beach, I'm not too sure, but you can go out and like pick up one of those, for example, and use a wireless headset. You're just having to plug in a receiver in the actual console to receive that audio. But yeah, I mean, I'm sorry, not receive the audio, transmit the audio. It sucks. We have to live with it. Hopefully the next gen consoles will actually come with this feature. I don't know why they don't, but we'll have to deal with it. If you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, check out the merch linked below. If you're interested in supporting the channel, College Mazy Podcast, as always, linked below. If you guys want to check that out, I'd highly recommend it. If you like podcasts and you like listening to my voice and my friends' voices, do that as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.